Welcome, Radiant Mamas, to Slow Down with Kirsten 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 17, where our focus is on embracing the divine. In this session, you will honor and connect with your divine nature, recognizing the sacredness of your body and the life growing within you. So when you're ready, hop into something comfy and let's get started. Let's get started in a seated position. Begin to come inward. Close your eyes, place hands on your knees. Take a few natural breaths here. Recognize the divine miracle of life within you. Inhale, raise your hands up over your head. As you exhale, come into a twist, bringing your right arm to your left knee, left arm back behind you, looking over your left shoulder. Take deep, gentle breaths here. Inhale, hands back up overhead, switch sides. Left arm to right knee, right arm behind you, looking over your left shoulder. Inhale, hands back up overhead, rain your fingers down, exhale. Moving into child's pose, come into all fours, knees out wide, hands out in front of you, and sink your hips back. Walk your hands forward, resting your forehead and chest on the mat. As you're breathing here, tap into the divine strength within you. It is miraculous that you have the power to create and nurture life within you. As you breathe here, think of your baby. Think of the divine spirit growing inside of you. Send love and safety and peace to your baby. As you inhale, bring your hands to prayer position behind your back for a deeper upper body stretch. Exhale, release the pose, coming back up to all fours. Tuck your toes behind you and walk your hands back to a kneeling position, thunderbolt pose. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position at the heart. In this pose, you are reminded to move with reverence and respect for your body, honoring its incredible capabilities. Keep deep, slow breaths here. Feel free to close your eyes. Exhale, release the pose, coming back to all fours. As you inhale, come to cow pose. Bring belly down, shine your heart forward, and bring your gaze up. Exhale, cat pose. Round your back, looking down at your beautiful baby. Continue to flow with the cycles of your breath. Remember to be mindful of the hormone relaxant in your body. A lot of the ligaments and joints tend to loosen up, so be sure to listen to your body and not overstretch. Exhale, release the pose and come to a seated position. Staff bent knees. Soles of your feet out in front of you on the mat, hands placed behind you on the mat. Come into a reverse tabletop position by engaging your glutes and your quads, pressing hands and feet into the mat, and lifting your body up off the mat. Inhale. Exhale, release this pose. Coming into a revolved Janu Shashasana, bring left leg out straight in front of you. Bend your right knee, bringing thigh and calf to the mat. Heel close to your glute. Inhale, strengthen and lengthen your spine. Exhale, come into a revolved pose by bringing your left forearm to your inner left thigh. Right arm, bring up and over by your ear. Feel that stretch in your side body. Coming into a hip opener pose now. bring right ankle above your left knee. Bend your left leg, bringing the sole of your foot to the mat, coming into a figure 4 hip opener. You can place your hands back behind you for more stability. Breathe here, feel that gentle stretch in your outer hip. Exhale, release this pose and come to the other side. Coming into a revolved half saddle, bring your right leg straight out in front of you. Bend your left knee, bring your thigh and calf to the mat. Heel of your left foot close to your glute. As you inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bring your right forearm to your inner right thigh. Left arm up and over, framing your ear. Coming into a figure 4 hip opener stretch. Bring your left ankle above your right knee, bending your right knee, bringing the sole of your right foot to the mat. Moving into bound ankle pose, bring soles of your feet to touch, bending both knees. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, begin to walk your hands forward to fold. Many of these poses are great ways to prepare for labor and birth. They open up the pelvis and hip area, allowing for more space for your baby to be delivered. As you inhale, begin to walk your hands over to the right side of your mat. Inhale, walk your hands over to the left side of your mat. Inhale, come back to center and walk your hands back up. Come into a wide-legged seated pose. Sitting on top of your sit bones, lengthen your spine, and exhale, begin to walk your hands forward to fold. Exhale, release this pose. Coming into our final resting position, place a pillow and bolster in between your knees, underneath your head and your neck for more support. Place your hand on your belly. Connect deeply with your baby here. When you're ready, come to a seated pose, keeping eyes shut. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer position at third eye. Namaste. If this practice helped you feel connected to your true divine identity, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us grow and reach more expecting mothers. Until next time, namaste.